raining. Oh, come on.
No, now you can talk to.
We're gonna go get our brows bleached. Nice and threaded. I'm just kidding. You better do like this. I swear to God. It just goes on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube. Everything that I film goes on YouTube.
Not this.
Not everything
no,
does.
So sometimes you get really cute stuff about me, and you don't post that.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
You're lying.
No,
You're lying. She's
And I
lying.
look like crap.
So, school's out and we're gonna go somewhere because we wants to go.
Where am I going?
Where are we going?
Let's see my eyebrows.
Yeah, we're just gonna go get her eyebrows. You know, I wish I had unlimited data so I could. Have you heard of You Now?
No. We get wet? No. We're gonna call the people and be like, we got stuff.
Oh shit! I got water on me. Oh shit! I love this car.
If it starts raining and my hair
It's supposed
products start coming
It's-
out of
it
my
is
hair
raining.
into my face.
Hold on. Oh, dude, it is raining.
We better speed walk because I'm really
Go,
not
go,
trying
go.
to get sick. I mean, did you get your eyebrows?
Put on my hat because it's raining. Finally, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. And she's getting mad because. Oh shit!
I chose to live in California because I like the sun.
It's raining harder.
If I wanted it to rain, I could have like watched it or something.
And it never dude, it's raining
Okay,
harder.
let's
It's raining now. Ugh. But we don't want to get wet because it's fucking raining. It's like, what the hell? It's in California. Go that way, go that way. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. We're across the street from the school because we're going to do something. Oh, dude, it's fucking raining. No. Oh my god.
Oh.
So we're now. That's Walmart, guys. Why would there be a food Walmart next to school? I really don't understand. And here we go again. Run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Come on, V, I don't want to get sick. And we're back, guys. We made it. Now we're just waiting for
What the heck?
this one. Let's go back. Now it's raining, so we're gonna go back. It's not raining, it's not raining that hard anymore. So this is the things I do to get coffee. I don't know if you guys can hear me because there's traffic everywhere, but this is what I do for coffee. Hey! So we're chilling under this tree because if we're under a tree, we don't get wet. So yay. Do you want to go? Let's go to the next one. Moving on up. What? This time you're getting wet? That didn't sound right. We're walking to the donut shop and it's really, really raining. And there's people actually looking at me vlog. Honestly, I can care less because after VidCon, it made me realize, like, who cares if people see, like, that's how I see it, but I honestly don't care what people think. Yeah. People probably think we're weird because we're just walking around the street and there's no one. But yeah. Got anything to say?
Look at my keys!
You got, mine aren't that wet. We're going back. Oh my god, it's raining! Thank god I didn't decide to dress up today because it would have been such a fail. It's raining again. It's raining again, people. And We have a long day. We have rehearsal today until 7. Sadly, we'll go home and cuddle and sleep. Oh my god, now we fucking have to run. We're running again. We're running.
When you're from a broke town and you ain't got no car, that's
Oh my gosh.
my pink shoes.
Oh, look at this store thing that they're opening.
Oh, dude, I was gonna walk in here.
I was like, what the fuck? What is it? We got coffee, finally. I'm going back into the rain.
Took me 5 hours to make it
Because she didn't know if she wanted creamer or not.
because knockoff donuts don't have like the regular freaking creamers. You gotta guess what you like
You gotta guess what the hell is inside the fucking bottle.
and not want to know what it is exactly.
Yeah.
But you gotta know you gotta like it.
Oh my god. I like this lighting, it's really good. Look.
I can't even feel my eyes. When you're from your house and you don't know how to drink coffee?
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Why?
Because it's already. Sorry.
You're gonna make me spill.
It's fine. I'm spilling on myself too. We're crossing. We're crossing to go back to the classroom because it's raining still. Oh my gosh, guys. You guys probably wouldn't even understand how much rain it is. Look at that. What, my phone just fell in there. But yeah.
Like that.
Rude. I'm just kidding. So we're back at yeah. Just walking back to class because
Gigi.
we're back. No.
You want me?
No.
Why not?
No.
What do you want?
More subscribers.
No, don't be
I'm just kidding. What do you mean?
You were supposed to say
So we're
no,
back.
I don't want you.
It's in the choir room. And if you can hear this, people playing.
Fuck the band.
Fuck the band. Fuck the band. Not for you. I'm just kidding. Gigi.
Look, it's so purple.
Where's Pierre?
Get a guy, and then you have to like.
Hi. So we're at practice. And we're gonna show you guys how to make a DIY right now. But here. Sorry for the interruption. But this is Pierre. She's gonna teach you guys how to make a DIY.
Yeah. Ow, I'm half Asian.
She's gonna teach you guys how to make a DIY.
First you get a bucket, well, and then you get some bleach, and then you drink the bleach.
So that's what we learned today. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. So now we're on our break, and the lighting up here is totally so amazing because we're sitting on top of the bleachers, and that's the field of the school. You guys didn't know, and it's super cool because back here, let me see if you guys can see it. It's so light and pretty, and then on this side, it's so dark. So amazing. I love the rain. That is horrible lighting. I honestly feel like I'm gonna fall because these bleachers are so freaking wet. And yeah, I guess that's it. Okay. So we're out of practice and it's 7:01, and I guess this is the this is the end of today's vlog. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And the lighting just got better, and that's Yutzi.
Hi.
But yeah, if you guys like this video,
best friend.
make sure to give this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give this If you guys like this vlog, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.